One of the easiest problems to accomplish with a single script line in FastTrack Scripting Host is removing unwanted files. And this is the problem that's documented on the website. Under problem 7, need to remove illegal file types from client computers. So these are the audio files, MP3s, that type of thing. We can do that all with a single line of code. Delete subfiles from the user profile directory and then the file types that we want to delete. So let's copy that line of script into the editor and we'll create a new file to run that. And just before we execute that, let's comment that out. Let's put up a show message just to show what the current user profile dir is for the currently logged in user, which is me. So that won't actually do any deleting until I uncomment the delete line, but it will tell me what the user profile directory is, and you can do this with any of the functions and collections, any of those red keywords in FastTrack Scripting Host. So I'm going to save that script and we'll just call it remove unwanted files. And let's now run that just to see what my profile is. And as expected, see documents and settings, steve.deployment. So that's my profile. So anything under that profile will be deleted when I run the script. So before we do actually run that, let's go over to Windows Explorer and have a look for some of these files. And if I look in my music, then I can see 4 files potentially that are candidates, an MP3, 2 WMA files, and an AVI file. So if we go back to the script, we have the MP3 covered, the AVI, but we're going to need to add onto the end of that, and let's uncomment that first. Comment the show message, and we'll add to the end of that the .wma file types. Now we save that, run that script, and go back to documents and settings, and you can see that those files have now gone and they've only been deleted from this profile here. If we go into sample music, which is the public location for music under documents and settings, all users, you can see those files have not been deleted. So it's only the unauthorized, if you like, documents and file types that we want to remove using that single line of script. And that was all done using just that one line, delete subfiles. Very easy to do with FastTrack Scripting Host.